In today's experiment, we had to see that does the temperature affect the color mixing in the water by itself. So we tried it with hot water and cold water. In one glass hot water and one glass cold water, we put two food dyes inside them and waited for 30 seconds to see which one mixes faster by itself. After 30 seconds, we saw that the hot water mixed way faster than the cold water. The cold water took a long time to move around, but the hot water it just mixed instantly. And our hypothesis was that the color is gonna stay the same and nothing's really gonna happen, or the cold water is gonna mix faster. But the result was that the hot water mixed way faster and it mixed instantly when we put the food dye inside, and the cold water took a long time to just move around.